Hey friends, AviPhysio here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to use an incentive spirometer. An incentive spirometer is a medical device that's used to help people improve the functioning of the lungs. The incentive spirometer is used for patients who've come out of long surgeries, who have respiratory conditions such as pneumonia, and more recently, we've been using this a lot for people who've had or contracted COVID-19. Now, this is very useful as it helps to improve oxygenation, increase lung expansion, and helps improve the strength of your breathing muscles. The use of the incentive spirometer also helps to prevent small airway collapse in the lungs, otherwise known as atelectasis, and that coupled with lung expansion helps to get rid of unwanted secretions that may build up as a result of infection. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please hit subscribe for more content that helps you be the best physical version of you. Now, you get different variances or models of the incentive spirometer, but they all should have a mouthpiece where your lips go onto, a nozzle or a main piston chamber, as well as some way of showing you your inspiratory effort, and it's generally done with a ball inside. The model that I have specifically has the different intensity levels up top, so I've adjusted it to what I'm going to use. Now, you want to take a big breath out first before you start and then pull in. You ideally want to hold for about 5 seconds. If you can go longer, that's even better, and otherwise just do what you can manage. It's always preferable to be in a seated position, nice and upright, as this helps with good expansion of the lungs. Okay, let's go together. So I'm going to take a deep breath out. And breathe out slowly when you're done. I held that longer than 5 seconds because I really wanted to impress you for the video. Now, take long enough breaks in between each effort, as this can make you feel a bit lightheaded or even get you quite tired. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like or leave a comment, and please share it with someone who you feel would have benefit in watching this video. In the meantime, guys, stay safe and stay strong.